Good day, Etienne. What is it you wanted to talk about, eh?
Yeah, there's just one thing I've been having problems with.
Well, what is it? I'm sure I could be helpful with solving it, eh?
I've had kind of a rough year at the office, and I've decided to take a vacation, but I just don't know where to go.
Oh, I know the perfect place. Hawaii is beautiful, relaxing, and an amazing island where you could have a great time, eh?
Hmm, I don't really know. It seems like it would cost a lot, and I'm really not a big fan of the long flights.
So it's local you're looking for. Well, downtown Toronto is close, has a wide range of activities for a wide range of interests. And the best part is, you wouldn't even have to rent a vehicle.
Yeah, no, that doesn't really sound like much of a vacation. Sounds pretty lame, actually.
You mean like a lamecation?
I want to go somewhere beautiful and different from what I'm used to seeing here in Toronto. I want somewhere with people who are nice, generous, and especially I need never-ending activities whenever I want to do them. But the problem is, does a place like this even exist?
Well, there is a place I'm thinking of, but it's not a city. It's an ecozone. Now tell me, Etienne, have you ever heard of the Pacific Maritime?
Yeah, I think I've heard of it. A few of my friends said they've been there and they really loved it actually. But first, tell me where it is.
The Pacific Maritime is located along the west coast, also known as the Pacific Coast. Some major cities include Vancouver and Victoria. The Pacific Maritime consists of the bottom of Yukon and the coast of British Columbia, along with its islands.
Wow, there are so many fascinating landforms there, including mountains, hot springs, and fjords.
That's correct. And do you know how these hot springs are formed?
Well, I learned in my science class that hot springs form when water seeps into sedimentary rock.
Which is very common in that area.
Yes, well, it seeps into the pores of the sedimentary rock and runs deep into the earth.
Picking up all kinds of minerals from radium to sulfur.
Uh-huh. And eventually it seeps into a fault where it gets heated and thrusted up to the surface again.
Yes. And if anyone wonders why it smells like rotten eggs, it's because of the sulfur.
This sounds really fun, but are there any events occurring?
Are you kidding? The Capilano Suspension Bridge lights up for the winter holidays with hundreds of thousands of lights. If that's not enough to drop your jaw, there's also Canada's tallest tree, which is even 46 meters tall.
Awesome. I've heard of this event called Slide the City. It sounds like an unmissable occasion.
Well, for those who haven't heard about it, explain.
It's sort of like the water slides you went on when you were a kid, except this one's 1,000 feet long.
Is that even possible?
Apparently so, and it takes place in North Vancouver. I bet the whole community is going to be there.
Yes, I bet they will.
What else is there to know?